Hello, welcome to another edition of Thursday Democracy Broadcast. My name is Dr. Sam Amadi, and today I would like to consider the issues around what looks like a Twitter storm over a post by one Wale Akerele on the issue about Igbo people, and he made a very devastating comment and described Igbos as gorillas, chimpanzees, and all kinds of dirty words. But the key point is not what he said or posted, is that the high-ranking office of this government, the head of the Nigerian Diaspora Commission, Abike Dabiri, liked it and laughed and smiled and cheered this vilification of Igbo, who are part of the constituency he has responsibility to cater for. There's been so much backlash on Twitter, now X. But the point I want to bring is that there is now a trend of vilification, hate speech, and attack against Igbo people. It's manageable if it was something by a low-ranking ordinary citizen. There's so many crazy people out there online. But when government officials, we see that in Lagos with aides of Sayolu and now with the aid of Mr. President. The question is, why are these public officials, pushed to affirm hate speech, very murderous hate speech against Igbos? And what are the Igbo leaders doing to draw attention of Mr. President and their principals to stop this? Let's not forget that today narratives control almost everything. And what that means is that if you allow people to stigmatize the people badly in this way, it can affect both economic, social, and political outcomes. So I expect more robust, pushback by Igbo public office leaders talking to these people and controlling this epidemic that might bring us, God forbid, back to the past history of attack, mass violence against Igbos. Please, let's rise up and defend our name. Onyekwe Chiekwe. Ndewono.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, NjenjeMedia TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe.